Jai Saira. The story of Goddess Abhirami. Goddess Abhirami is a form of Mother Goddess Devi. Abhirami means she who is attractive every moment of time. This goddess is believed to be extremely powerful and fulfills the wishes of all her devotees. Mother Abhirami is the presiding goddess of Thirukadayur. This is near Mayiladuthurai town of Tamil Nadu. The Lord Shiva who presides over the temple is called Amritagateshwarar. In South Indian tradition, Goddess Abhirami is a reference to Mother Parvati. During the reign of Sarfoji, a temple priest named Subramanya was an ardent devotee of Goddess Abhirami. He saw every woman as an incarnation of the goddess and was constantly immersed in prayer. One day, King Sarfoji visited the temple. Everybody rose, but not Subramanya, who was deep in meditation. The king wanted to know who the upstart was. Some said he was a mad drunken man, and the others said he was a saint. The king wanted to find out the truth for himself. He asked Subramanya what day it was. Subramanya said it was full moon day, as he had nothing but the image of goddess Abhirami in his mind's eye. But it was a new moon day. Irked by the arrogant reply, the king ordered that Subramanya be executed if the moon failed to light the sky that night. Coming out of his trance, Subramanya realized the gravity of the situation. He started singing verses in praise of Abhirami, his only savior. He had completed 78 verses when the dusk set in, and Subramanya's future was still in darkness. At the 79th verse, the goddess appeared in person and flung her diamond earring into the sky. It shone brightly like the full moon for all to see. Thus inspired, Subramanya sang 22 more verses. The king was stricken with remorse for having doubted a saintly man and begged forgiveness. He honored him and offered wealth, but Subramanya declined. The king then gifted lands to his descendants. From that day, Subramanya became the famous Abhirami Bhattar. Did this miracle really happen? Perhaps not, but there is much credible evidence about Abhirami Bhattar. For instance, his descendants carry with them the copper plate inscription evidencing Sarfoji's grant of lands. The anthology of 101 verses he sang in praise of Abhirami, popularly known as Abhirami Andadi, which is sung by devotees even today. For the faithful, each verse is supposed to deliver a specific benefit to the singer. There is a very interesting reason why it is called Andadi. Andadi is a compound word made up of two words, Andam, which means the last, and Adi, which means first. In this style of poetry, the last word of the previous stanza must be the same as the first word of the next stanza. The first word of every line rhymes with the first word of next three lines of each verse. Abhirami Bhattar composed 101 verses which were consistent with this grammar with perfect meter and meaning. It is truly a masterpiece even if you do not believe it was composed in one day. We are very delighted and to name the class as Sai Abhirami and immensely pleased to share the unknown facts about Goddess Abhirami and Abhirami Bhattar with all the devotees. We all as a unit will surrender ourselves to Baba. Do our Parayan on every Thursday with Shraddha and Saburi and submit our Parayan as a mala at the lotus feet of our Sadguru Sai Maharaj. Jai Sai Ram.